Hey, welcome back. This is lesson 0.4, and we're going to look at finding area. If you remember yesterday, we talked about perimeter. Perimeter was the outside of an object. Area. Area is the size of a surface. S. Okay. When you think area, I want you to think paint. Here's what I mean by that. So let's pretend you have a wall. Perimeter is the outside, but this inside is the area. So you would paint the area of it. So we got perimeter is the outside. Think of a fence. Now today we're going to look at area. Area is that part that's on the inside. Let's take a peek at some questions. So this one here says, Dolph makes a rectangular mural that is 9 feet wide by 36 feet long. What is the area of the mural? So what are we trying to figure out? We're trying to find the area of the mural. What do we know? We know that it's 9 feet wide by 36 feet long. Perfect. Let's draw out what that area looks like. It's a rectangular mural, so I'm going to start with a rectangle. And it says it is 9 feet wide, so we're going to label one of these sides 9, and 36 feet long, 36 feet, and that's 9 feet. Okay, perimeter is the outside, but we're not asking about perimeter, we're asking about area. Area is the part on the inside. So let's take a peek. Area is equal to length times width. Area is equal to, the length is 36 times the width is 9. Area is equal to 36 times 9. Let's break that down. I don't have another pen. I'm going to continue to use red if that's okay. 36 times 9. We're going to take our 30 plus our 6. 9. I'm using the area model because we're working with area. You can use whatever technique you want to use. I'm going to go 9 times 3 is 27 plus that 0. And then I'm going to go 9 times 6 is 54. Last step, add them up. 270 plus 54. 270 plus 54. 4, 10, 11, 12, 3. I have the area of 324, and because we're dealing with feet times feet, it's going to be feet squared. We'll get into that in class as to why it's feet squared, but my final answer is the area is 324 feet squared. Let's try this next one. Hogan. Pardon me while I erase. Okay. Hogan makes a rectangular mural with colored tiles. He has enough tiles to cover 112 square feet. He uses all of the tiles. The mural is 8 feet wide. How long is the mural? Okay. We know it's a rectangular mural. So I'm going to start by drawing a rectangle. Perfect. We know he has enough to cover 112 square feet. So again, covering. Think paint, except for now he's putting tiles. He's covering a grand total of 112 feet squared. Square feet, feet squared. Square feet, feet squared. He uses all of the tiles. The mural is 8 feet wide. So we got to figure out how many feet could that possibly be? Let's go to our area formula. Area is equal to length times width. Cool. Area. Do we know it? We do. The area is 112. Is equal to length. We don't know. We don't know. So we're going to say question mark times. Do we know the width? We do. It's 8. So in reality, what this is asking us is 112 is equal to what number times 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 38. No. Okay. Multiplying by 8 in your head and counting is one way to get there. But if you know a little division action, you could figure it out. 112 equals what number times 8? To solve this, take your 112, divide it by 8. We're going to get the division in a little bit. This is a little review though. 8 cannot go into that 1. 8 can go into 11 only one time. 8, subtract. All I did was multiply 1 times 8. That's going to be 3 left over. 32. 8 goes into 32, a grand total of 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. Oops, subtract. And we're left at 0. So I think that the length is 14 feet. But in order to double check, let's actually find the area and see if we get 112. So I'm going to do 14 times 8. I'll put it right over here. 14 times 8. 14 breaks up into 10 plus 4 times 8. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 4, 32. 80 plus 32, 2, 11. Would you look at that? 112, 112. We're good to go. We'll talk a lot more about area in class tomorrow. See you then.